good round number off the system. So the amount of money earned last week was $2,127.12. I am going to go in and I am going to transfer, let's say $24.12. Yes, $24.12. So I end up with a nice 2,100. So let's 24.12. Let's transfer that over. And I'm going to hit send code. I am going to check my email for the code. Okay. All right. We have the code 515. Here we go. 515691. Hit submit. Okay, now you see I'm down to 2103. I left 2103. I left the $3 because there's a $3 fee for transferring money off the platform. So now I'm going to go to transactions and I'm going to payment account. And I need to create a payment account for this platform. And the amounts here, I just want to check that address to make sure that that is the same one. And it should be. Portfolio. Check my USD wallet over here, Tether USDT. I'm in CoinZoom. Click the receive. Only send USDT coin to this address. Sending to any other digital assets will result in permanent loss. I understand. Want to send it to the Tron, and I wanted to check this address, TVXTPJ. So I'll go over here, TVXTPJ. So that is the right address. I wanted to make sure that I had that payment account in there. So I'm going to go back to transaction, and I'm going to click on withdraw. 2103 amount from this wallet, let's say 2103. And since it's the only payment account that I have, it's the one that shows up, the one that was already created. It charged a $3 fee, and that gives me a nice round number of 2,100 that I am withdrawing off the platform. I'm going to hit send code. Send code. It's counting down. Okay, I now have the one-time password 422658. Alrighty, I have it down there. It's going to the right address. Click submit. And it tells me withdrawal successful. Your withdrawal request processed successfully. So now there's a 24 to 48 8-hour period to where they will process the withdrawal and it will show up in my CoinZoom account. And when that happens, I'll come back and show you that. Okay, I am back. As you can see here, the $2,100 is of USDT Tether has been transferred over into my CoinZoom wallet. And the $1,900 that I had transferred in there from the week before and the $2,100 that I transferred this week, there's now $3,000 that has been transferred. And as I said before, if I want to move this money into my bank account, I would just need to convert this Tether into US dollar here, and then from the US dollar, I would send it directly to my bank account, either through a debit card on CoinZoom, or I would wire the funds into my bank account.